everyone, and welcome to today's video. That's right, I know, it's me again, the wife. But as you can see, we are going to be tackling our grow station. First thing we had to do was we had to rearrange the actual backing for the power station to make sure that it was where it was supposed to be to accommodate the new power station once Chris was done making it. Next, he had to add the brackets he 3D printed that will hold the wires nice and neat so we don't have any little baby wires running around. If you know, you know. But this will keep the wires nice and organized and ready to go, as you can see here. He puts them up through the channels and then secures them with a zip tie. Keeps it nice, neat, and tidy. And as you can see, it's doing an amazing job. I mean, look at that. All nice, neat, organized, and everything is where it needs to be. We shouldn't have any issues with wires falling, tangling, or becoming a big ball of a mess. He even left enough for the other lights in the corner you see in the background.
Okay, give you a quick show here of the panels. All the switches and everything are in place. Everything's all ready to go. Got my tools, so we'll get the wiring done.
He certainly did make quick work of adding these butt connectors to the wires so that we could easily connect and disconnect if there was ever an issue. Gotta love his new tools. The crimping tool and all that made it so much easier, that's for sure, and cut down on the time it took us to do this.
Okay, here we are so far. Looking pretty good, nice, neat. Still got a long ways to go, but it's coming along. Okay, here we are. I've got the one panel. This one here is all wired up. Still have to put some zip ties in there to clean up these wires a bit more. But there we are. We're getting there. So, still got the other half to do, the 12-volt side, and then hook up to the power supply. And then, of course, wire up the outsides. But we'll come back to you when we get a little more of this done. All separated. Okay. All wires are separated. That's the ground. That'll be hooked up in the final. Okay, well, I think we are ready. Set this to 12 volt. We'll start with the 12 volt side. Okay, so now we just got to plug it in and see how this goes. Okay, so we are going to start with the left fan, which should be on this side. I believe it's the bottom two. So let's turn it on. Okay, so then we'll go positive here. And then we will go right here. Okay, so we've got 13 at full. No power. Flip on switch. Perfect. Okay, that colored ones are working. Okay, let's try the color of the white lights. That one. This negative. Flip this. Oop, not that far. There. That one? Yeah, let's say white. 24. Perfect. That's right there. Perfect. 24 on this side.
Okay.
And then the blue one. Flip on the whites. 24. Perfect. Okay, those ones are good. Okay, that's all the side ones. Now I gotta test all the back ones. Get these all put together. I just gotta remember which one's which. Master fan goes to this one. Now I just gotta put a couple of clips here to help just hold these wires. Yes, you will see that one and that one don't have anything right now, but that's because they're for the middle here. They don't exist just yet, but they'll be for the future. Yes, there will be an AC going in there here shortly. I just haven't gotten that done yet.
The next day.
Alright everyone, let's fire this up for the first time. So, come in. We're going to hit the white lights first. Ready, everybody? Look at that. I get the sinking suspicion I'm going to need my sunglasses in here for the rest of this. But there we go, all fired up. And next, we shall do the colored. And there's the colored. So there you go, everybody. We are fully operational and everything like that. Well, except for the misters. So, alrighty, there you guys have it.